Changing fractions to decimals. What does it mean to divide a fraction? Every fraction is a division problem waiting to happen. For example, 3/4 means 3 divided by 4. The numerator, the top number, is divided by the denominator, the bottom number. When you divide, you'll either get a terminating decimal, a decimal that stops after a certain number of digits, or a repeating decimal, a decimal with a pattern that goes on forever. Let's look at a fraction that turns into a terminating decimal, 3/4. We now know that fractions can be thought of as division problems, so we can turn 3/4 into 3 divided by 4. Let's set it up. Write 3 divided by 4 in long division form. Since 3 is smaller than 4, add a decimal point and a 0, making it 3.0. Then divide. 4 goes into 30 7 times. Write 7 after the decimal point. Now subtract. 30 minus 28 equals 2. Next, bring down another 0. Now divide. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Your remainder is 0, so 3/4 equals 0.75. This is called a terminating decimal because it ends with a remainder of 0. Now let's look at a fraction that turns into a repeating decimal, 1/3. First, set it up. Write 1 divided by 3. Since 1 is smaller than 3, add a decimal point and a 0, making it 1.0. Then divide. 3 goes into 10 3 times. Write 3 after the decimal point. Now subtract. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Next, bring down another 0. Now divide. 10 divided by 3 equals 3 again. Notice the pattern. No matter how many zeros you add, you keep getting 3. This means the decimal repeats. So 1/3 equals 0.333 and so on. When a decimal repeats over and over and over, we put a line over the number to indicate that it keeps repeating. What did we learn? A fraction is just a division problem. Fractions turn into decimals through long division. Some fractions terminate, like 3/4, which equals 0.75. Others repeat, like 1/3, which equals 0.33333, and so on. Happy dividing!